I want to videotape. This is the burial of the kittens that we did not know. Yes, we actually took the time to decorate it. See the little flowers. You see that little, where'd it go? That little thing sticking up between the kittens. This is a box of dead kittens, and this is just a dead kitten.
2 week old.
A 2-week-old dead kitten. Just two. No, we didn't know the kittens, but yes, we still care. Aren't they pretty? Yes, we're very good people. Come on. Huh? Yes, indeed. YouTube is correct. Rest in peace, little kitties. We'll miss you dearly. Oh, shit. Sorry, cats. I fucked up your grave. This is going to go right there. So pretty. I'm gonna miss these kittens. They were so cute.
Especially the 2-week-old.
The two what?
2-week-old.
The one that just died today?
Mm-hmm.
He was cute. Yeah, and this one right here, he suffocated himself. Actually, he like choked himself. Stuck his head outside of the box and yeah, got stuck. We're not horrible mothers, I promise. We just went away for a couple minutes, came back, and he was no longer with us. Very sad day. I could have cried. I did cry. Hey, you shut up. It's not a funny matter. Rest in peace, little kitties. Oh, shit. It's okay, kitties. I'll see you in cat heaven. Meow. Yo, look. It's stained.
That's from Peekaboo.
Tummy juices.
Yum. I think that's from where she bit him.
Alright, now we can't just like throw rocks on top of it. Oh yeah, and this one cat, the mama cat, like literally ate two of her kittens.
No, this would be a
8 kitten burial. 9 kitten. 10. 8. How many are here?
6.
There are 6 kittens buried here. They were bred too close to each other, probably. I don't know. You know what?
Other than the one that strangled himself.
Oh yeah, and in the city it strangled himself. But it's okay, because we all have our suicidal moments. But most people who commit suicide don't get this pretty of a burial. Just saying. People, animals, cats, dogs, you know. Horses, angels. I'm not smoking crack, I promise.
You're extremely sober.
I am so beyond sober I can walk a straight line. Who am I kidding? I can't walk a straight line when I'm sober. I can't walk a straight line when I'm drunk either. But I have a better chance of doing it while I'm drunk.
Probably.
20% of battery remaining. You want to know the truth, guys, who everybody's watching this? I didn't actually mean to videotape, but I decided I would videotape anyways because it was a little too late. Brooke, do you have any last words?
Rest in peace, kitties.
Agreed. Viewers, if you think these are some really nice rocks we're putting in here, comment, like, tell us what you think. If you think we're completely stupid, well,
Have at it.
tell us. That's okay. Wouldn't be the first time. Oh, that was an E. And it probably won't be the last. I think the kittens think we're stupid too. Don't feel bad.
Possibly.
Most likely.
Don't mention. Don't put last night.
What? Oh, hell no. I mean, heck no.
That's like 4 customers are hitting.
It's okay. People cuss when they're upset. I'm upset. My kittens died.
Yeah, well.
Don't judge. I don't judge you.
Probably a good thing.
Ain't it though?
Ain't it? Whoops. I dropped it.
Jesus loves you, yes.
Not a funny matter.
The Bible tells me so. Little kitties to him belong. They were too weak, but he is strong. Jesus. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're covering up my pretty plants.
It's okay.
No, it's not. I didn't even get to meet him.
That's not peekaboo. You would have loved him.
He was cute, too.
He's a tweetheart.
Tweedly, tweet, tweet, tweet.
I feel bad.
For?
Who watches this?
I feel bad for the kittens. I'm never gonna let you live that shit down.
I'm sorry. Oops.
Okay, I think it's time that we end or something. This is a very horrible video, guys. Just saying. I'm not the best videotaper when I'm burying something. I figured that out today. I've never personally videotaped a burial, so give me some credit. That's all I got to say. We're some very loving mothers, so we care to bury them nicely. Look at those two pretty sexy rocks. Oh my God, those are cute. I'm so dead, and I know it. Quit laughing, it's not funny.
You are freaking stupid.
You're stupid. Why I gotta be so stupid? It's okay, kitties. I've gone through this before. Excuse me.
You're excused.
Look!
You've gone through death before?
No, I've had to bury a kitty before. Oh. I just didn't make it pretty.
You just threw them in holes in here.
Meow. That cat you hear meowing is not a cat that we buried, I promise. I don't even know if you can hear the cat meowing in the video, but...
Just in case.
Yeah, and this one's perfectly healthy and gonna live, I promise. Is that the pregnant one? Tinkerbell?
Yes.
Oh, okay, maybe not. Well, she probably won't live if she ends up killing another kitten. I might have to,
Nicole?
help her.
Thank you. I like my life.
You like your life? That's good. Because when you die, I'm going to bury you like this.
Yeah.
But instead of burying you right here next to the barn, I'm going to bury you right there, under that piece of stuff.
Good, because it's easier to bury things that are under hard surfaces.
Well, fine. You want me to dig up the barn and bury you under it?
Yeah, have at it.
Okay. Please don't. You sure? You really should not die before me. If you die before me, we have a problem. You're only like 2 months older than me. 4 months. Look at that one little piece of grass. It's going to sprout and be so pretty. Neighbors are being awfully rude.
I'm going to mow during this burial.
Yeah, the neighbors are mowing the yard while we're having a ceremony. That's kind of f***ed up.
Here, I'll put that on this.
This is a very long ceremony, 8 minutes long.
Oh my God, I wonder how long it's going to take.
Brooke, we can bury the kittens first. It won't take any time at all. 10 minutes later. Longer than that because we had to go get this stuff. Here's that thing I was going to bury right there. I hope I don't stick my finger in something I don't want. Will you hold this thing? Thanks, I appreciate that. Ain't it cute, guys? It's gonna grow up and be so big. It looks like a penis. Now, how much you want to bet people don't believe we're even burying a cat?
Probably not, and if they don't, I feel really bad for them. Because they didn't get to see what we saw.
Hold this, I'll be right back. Don't videotape me leaving. I'm going to get that pretty flower.
Run.
Oh!
Flower.
Oh! Flower.
Hurry up.
Shut up.
There's a bug that flew over there. I don't know what it was.
Ah, my cupboard's full.
There you go.
Hey, you're just gonna have to hold that for a minute.
You just put both of them in the hole.
No.
Son of a biscuit.
That cat needs to shut up.
I don't think she realizes she has nothing left.
Well, it's not my fault she killed all the damn kittens. Dang kittens. Oh, look, it's mucho potato. Yes, that flower is going to die much like the kittens did, but that's okay.
And when they die, we will know that they went to heaven.
It's a kitty heaven. Meow.
Where they can get all the milk and stuff that they want to play with and everything.
Most cats don't play with milk, just saying.
Just
All right, well, that's concluding our burial service. If you want somebody to bury your kittens, call 1-800-GET-ALIVE. All right, thanks. Bye.